So welcome to our final part or part 5 of this how to create a digital course using ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, Telegram and Selar. These 5 tools, that's what we use. So this is the fifth tool, which is the Selar. So let's quickly go to Google. I already have an account with Seller, so I will just show you a part, then just go ahead to okay. So the first thing you would see is start selling with Seller. The first thing you see is start selling with Seller. So click on start selling with Seller. The good thing about Seller is you can be in Nigeria and someone who is in the UK can pay you. And if you want your cost to be in dollars, they can pay you in dollars. If you want it will just convert the money to its equivalent in whatever currency it is for them, and these people will pay to you. Okay. So then the first thing you need to do is to put your first name and your last name, then your email, then a new password. Ensure that this password contains 8 characters. Inside this 8 character, it can be more, okay, it can be more than 8. So inside these 8 characters, it must contain a letter, it must contain a number. So it has to be a mixture of numbers and letters. Then after the same password you put here, that's the same password you put in the confirm section. Then you click on this and click on create account. You can easily sign up with Google. I use sign up with Google a lot. I already have an account with them, but once you click on sign up with Google, you pick the Google account you want them to use and you sign up. I clicked on sign up with Google and I'm asked whether click on any of the Google that is attached to this particular phone. So once I click on any of the account or any of the email attached to this phone to sign up for Seller. So it's actually more easier because they'll just collect the information from Google. So because I already have an account, so they'll just let me to sign into Seller. So you just follow the process that would be shown to you. Take your time and do something, okay? Then it will bring you to this part, okay? So once it brings you to this part, I already have some courses I sell on Seller, but then let's just create this. So come over to these 3 lines here, click on it, go to where you have products, go to where you have product, click on product and click on add product. Click on add product. Now they may show you some other things you need to set up when you successfully log in, but since I'm already logged in, this is just the process. But when you are successfully logged in, just follow this process that I'm showing to you right now. Okay, now they will ask you select a product type to proceed: physical product, digital product, ticket, subscription, service, course. If you want to host your course on Seller, you can host it here instead of Telegram, but you have to pay. Then stream online only video and all of this. So just this is what I want to say, a digital product. So click on digital product. Now they say sell any kind of digital products from ebooks to any downloadable product to music to courses downloadable or hosted outside Seller to any other products you host on external platforms and more. So click on next. So the Seller account has both the pro version and the free version, and Seller, they are really good. Because how do you tell me that I can actually use Seller as my landing page and automate my sales for free? The only thing is when someone pay for my service or buy my product or buy my digital product, they take a certain percentage of that money, and I'll teach you how to turn on a particular setting so that percentage that they want to remove, they will not remove it from your money. Your clients will pay the money by themselves. Okay, that's what you would do. So come over here. The first thing is to add image. So image, to add image, remember that flyer we designed? So just click on this and look for where the flyer is and add the flyer. So once you click on the flyer, click on done. The the image has been accepted. So you see this green tick around this part here. Okay, so the next thing we have is name of the product. Productivity, I mean activity hacks for professionals. Then the sales price, I already set up my currency to Nigerian. But if I'm not okay with this, I can come over to currency settings, click on currency settings, and I can change it to either USD and come over to where I have update details to update my details. Okay, but I want to sell in Naira, so I'm okay with it. Or let's try to see if we can change. No, I'm okay with Naira. I'm okay with Naira. Okay, I'm okay with Naira. So by default, you get to set Nigerian amount and seller automatically convert to other currencies on your store. Like if they want to pay with USD, GBP, GHS, KES, ZAR, TZS, whatever they want to pay with. As far as the thing is, if someone who stays outside Nigeria wants to pay and probably pay with US dollars, they can make payments with USD, and seller would convert the money to Nigerian naira for me and send it to me. So I'm okay with Nigerian naira, and that is just to show you this. So I'm going to go back. So I'm going to type in my sales price in naira, which is 5,000 naira for this course. Now I can also tell them that, oh, this cost is 100k before, but now it is 5,000 when I click on this. So once I click on this, I can add the original price or original price. Usually when people have physical live class, they'll tell you, oh, the live class is 10,000. If you want the recorded class, like record the videos, then put in a host in a particular platform, though I'm not teaching it directly, you just pay, watch, and ask your questions. You can pay 7,000 naira. So you can put 10,000 naira here and come over here to put 7,000 naira. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this. The next thing you want to put here is category. What category does this fall into? So this is a personal kind of content, and I can also put it in professional. So I'm going to put it in professional and personal development. So I'll click this. That's fine. So I can also decide to put a subcategory, self-improvement. So this option has multiple variant options like different tiers, packages. So if this particular product is tied to another product, you can click on this, but I'm okay with what I have. So the next thing is leave it at more details. Come to digital products. This digital product, if you want it to be a pre-order, you click on this, but this is not pre-order. I already created the course and it's ready. Category for this, but it's okay, you can leave that. Now if it was an ebook, you come over to downloadable file and upload it, but it's not an ebook. You can also make it readable online only. If you want them to read it only on Selar, you don't want them to download it, have access to it, and share to their friends. You can also come here to say that, okay, this is where you click on to make it whatever, but this is not an ebook class. So remember, I copied my Selar and my Telegram link. I want them to pay. Once they make payments, I want them to come over to my Telegram group and start going through their classes. So I'm just going to click on automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. So after buying, I want to direct them to Telegram to go and watch their video. So even if I'm sleeping, even if I traveled, these people can have access to my classes. So remember, I copied and pasted my Telegram group link where the videos are available in my notepad. So I'll just come over to my notepad and copy, then go back to Selar to paste. So come over to where you have automatic redirect, click on it, then come over to where you have so I'm going to remove this. I don't want to give them access to a file. Okay, so come over to this part, click on it and put in the link. Now the next thing we omitted is where we have write up. This is where you talk about your product. This is where you talk about the products you're about to sell. So let me write something quickly. Okay, so I wrote something very simple. This is a course that helps you understand time management and helps you become productive. You can take your time to write something. You can also tell ChatGPT to help you write a small sales copy for that course that I created for you. Okay, so you can also use the tools provided here to make your write-up look more beautiful and more pleasing. You can play around this tool to know what each tool means and how to use it. So once you are done, remember to put your link here, come over to create product, click on create product. So this is your product, it's ready. So this is the link to your product, so just click on it, and this is what your product looks like. So once you click on pay for this course, you can easily pay. So this is what people see when they come to your page to buy your course. Okay, so I want to copy this link. I click on it for a long time. After clicking on it, I just click on copy link address to this 3 line. You can either go back, okay, it will take you back to this part, or go back again. Okay, so this is it. So come over to this 3 line here. You can go to where you have, scroll to where you have settings. Okay, come over to where you have settings, click on settings. You can either do a general store setting or a personal setting. So let's go to general store setting. So this is my store. My store itself is not the particular product, so you can come over here. You can put your Twitter username, your Facebook code, copy your Facebook code, and your YouTube code too. The next thing is store checkout. Collect the customer's mobile number or store checkout form. That is what I want when they pay for this course. I can also write a call to action if I don't want them to pay for this course. I want them to see something else. Get the course now. Okay. So choose who pays for the seller transaction fee. Now remember I talked about that seller charge a part of money whenever you make sales. Okay. So now you can either pay from your money. Assuming you sell a course that is 5,000 naira, they can either take 500 from you. I think it's 500 or so. So if they take 500 from you, that means you have 4,500. But you can avoid this by telling your customers to pay the 5,500. So once your customer wants to pay, they'll pay 5,500. That is the charges fee. Seller will take 500 naira, and your 5,000 naira will be sent to you. So this is where you make that correction. This is where you change the settings to customers. So click on it and put customers. Okay. So all these other ones, just leave them. So come over to these 3 dots. I want you to go to where you have wallet and payouts. So click on either your payout or payout settings. This is where you can add your account numbers where they will make your payment soon. Now for your payout or bank settings, you have payout schedule. If you click on this, I automated mine. I don't want to manually, when people make payment, I'll go and start. No, I want them to just, once people make payment, when it's time for payout, they'll automatically pay it into my account. I'm okay with that. Okay. So let me scroll to the other part. Okay, so the next thing is my NGN. This is where I put my currency, my bank account, the bank name, the bank number, and the account name. I can click on change payout account, or you can click on add payment account. Okay, so where you put your informations and you set it up. So when someone buys your course or pays for your course, they can easily send you your money when it's time. So when you are done, just click on this 3 line and they'll take you, just scroll back to where you have product and go to where you have all products. So still under product, click on all products, so you see all your products. Now this is my other product. Let me scroll down to this new content. So this is the new product I have. So you can swipe to this part where you have your 3 dots, click on it, and this is where you can edit it. If you want to edit the course, maybe you want to add something, you click on edit to edit it again, to edit the informations. You can also view public link to see how people will see it. You can also view sales to see the number of people that have paid and bought your course. You can also view abandoned transactions. Sometimes some people want to buy and they'll click and they'll log out. You can see it here. Then product reviews. People have dropped reviews. QR code, publish to affiliate network. If you want to publish this particular course, so affiliate people can also market it, get their own money and sell your course for you. Affiliate resources. If you want to close the product sales, if you want to deactivate the product, you want to delete the product, or you want to copy, or you want to double the product, duplicate it. That's just all it is. So let's click on view public link. So this is the course by view public link. Okay, so click on edit. I want to copy the link, so once I click on edit, I would always see the link here, so I can just click on it, long press it, long tap on it, and just copy link address. Once I copy my link address, I can go to my notepad, come over to my notepad and paste my link address. So I can also just put the heading of this link address, product. So this is how you automate your sales on Seller. Once you can post this link on your platforms, in your Instagram link in bio, on your YouTube link in bio, link section on your Facebook link, any social media platform, wherever they can put in your digital product link. And even if you are sleeping, someone can click on the link, make payments with Seller will collect the money, transfer, change, convert it to Nigerian naira and send to you. If you have a dollar account, you can just use the USD and they'll transfer the money to you. So even if a Nigerian is paying and you want to collect your money in USD, they'll convert that naira to USD so that the person can convert the naira, can pay an equivalent of that naira to USD and collect, have access to your course. So this is how you can do it. I hope you have learned something in this 5 series we did. I'm so happy to have shared this. So if you have any question, use the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in my next video. Bye.